little fox.
Nina was playing frisbee at summer camp, but she was thinking about Saturday. In just 2 days, her family would go to see the town fireworks.
Mr. Dunn, I love the 4th of July.
Nina said.
Everything is red, white, and blue. And fireworks are so cool.
The 4th of July is fun, isn't it?
Mr. Dunn said.
My family always has a big barbecue. My dad and brothers love to grill.
My dad loves to grill too, Bobby said.
I always eat lots of watermelon on the 4th.
Izzy said.
You know what the kids in my family do on the 4th? They make red, white, and blue ice pops. Then they eat them while watching fireworks,
said Mr. Dunn.
Red, white, and blue ice pops? I bet they're pretty.
Nina said.
Yeah, they're pretty. And pretty easy to make.
Mr. Dunn said, chuckling.
Can we make them at camp?
Nina asked.
Please? It's almost the 4th of July.
Mr. Dunn smiled.
That's a great idea, Nina. I'll bring in everything we need tomorrow.
The next day, Mr. Dunn brought in paper cups, wooden craft sticks, and 3 big bottles. Nina looked at the bottles.
Ooh, red juice,
she said.
That's sweet strawberry juice. Made it myself,
Mr. Dunn said.
Blue juice,
Nina picked up another bottle.
grape blueberry blend. That's cool. And white juice. Wait a minute. White juice?
It's actually coconut milk.
Jason said, pointing to the label.
Have you had it before? It's good.
Nina shook her head.
But I guess I'll try it in the ice pops.
This will be the easiest recipe you ever prepare,
said Mr. Dunn.
First, pour some blue juice into the bottom 1/3 of the cup.
The juice has to freeze before we can add the next layer, right?
Jason asked.
Exactly,
said Mr. Dunn.
So, let's get started.
The kids filled the bottom of their paper cups with grape blueberry juice. Then Mr. Dunn took the cups to the freezer.
We'll take those out in 2 hours,
he said. The kids went outside for a nature walk. When they got back, it was time for the next step.
Now, add the coconut milk. Fill the middle 1/3 of your cup,
said Mr. Dunn.
and do it quickly. We don't want our blue to melt.
Mr. Dunn hurried to get the ice pops back into the freezer. Then the kids went outside for their Friday kickball tournament. In 2 hours, they were back inside, ready to finish making their ice pops.
Last step, strawberry juice and craft sticks.
Mr. Dunn said.
After you pour the strawberry juice, put your sticks in the cup. The coconut milk is still a little slushy, so you can gently push your stick through until it stands up straight.
Mr. Dunn said.
Hurry! Get these to the freezer!
Nina said. While they waited, Mr. Dunn read them a book about fireworks. Then they all painted fireworks. Finally, the kitchen timer went off. It was time to take out the ice pops. Mr. Dunn peeled off the paper cups and handed a pop to each camper.
Yummy!
Izzy said, taking a lick of blue. Nina licked the white part.
The coconut milk is good. Thanks, Mr. Dunn.
Nina giggled.
4th of July fireworks, here I come!
Yeah, it's the last day of school. Summer is almost here.
I'm sad.
Sad? Are you crazy, Tia?
No, I just like school.
Then you are crazy.
I'm a little sad too. I like first grade.
What's everyone doing this summer?
I'm going fishing.
I'm going swimming.
I'm going to ride my bike every day.
Here's a book. Now you can all read this summer, too.
Thanks,
Mrs. Swan. Have fun, everyone. Summer is here at last.
Let's ride bikes. Okay. Mine is broken. But Mom said she'd fix it today. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Sam.
We're going bike riding. Is my bike ready?
I have something to show you.
Oh, no!
Ready to ride, Sam?
No, Max. My bike is broken. And it can't be fixed. Hi,
Sam.
What are you doing? We're getting our bikes ready.
For the 4th of July parade.
The best bike wins the prize. Oh, that sounds fun. Bye.
Bye.
Mom and I have been busy. We forgot that you need a new bike. I'll take you to the store tomorrow.
Yes! What a great bike! Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Next, I need a new bell. Look, I got a new bike.
Cool.
Come on, let's ride to the boardwalk. Bye, Mom. We're going to ride bikes.
Again? Don't you want to play with Lucky?
Maybe later. We have to get my bike ready.
For the best bike contest. Oh, I see.
Bye.
Bye. What's wrong, Lucky? Do you miss Sam?
Your bike looks cool, Sam. So does yours, Tia.
What about mine?
Wow.
I know, it stinks. But that's okay. I just want to be in the parade.
Look, there's Deepak. Hi, Deepak. We're riding in the parade.
First prize is $50.
I want to win. Then I can buy a bell for my bike.
Who's going to the fireworks show tonight?
Me! Me too. It's the best part of July 4th.
Please line up, everyone. The parade is about to start.
Hi, Sam. Hi, Lily.
Your bike looks good, Sam.
I hope I win. I hope I win.
And the winner is...
Shh, Lucky, I can't hear.
Tia Hernandez.
Yeah, Tia.
Everybody is thinking about the parade. Nobody is thinking about the dog. Everybody is listening to the band. Nobody is listening to the guard. Everybody is watching the fireworks. Nobody is watching the baby. Everybody is picking up the blankets. Nobody is picking up the trash. Everybody is having fun. Nobody is bored on the 4th of July.